अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। पीपीएससी में सोशल वेलफेयर एंड बैतुल माल डिपार्टमेंट में असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर की 21 सीट्स आई थी, जिनका जनरल नहीं था कि जिन्होंने बैचलर्स किया हुआ हो वो इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते थे, बल्कि उसके लिए कुछ डिग्रीज़ रिक्वायर्ड थी। जैसा कि अगर आपके पास सोशियोलॉजी की डिग्री है या सोशल वेलफेयर की है, रूरल सोशियोलॉजी की है, जेंडर स्टडीज़ की है, वुमेन स्टडीज़ एंड एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, जिन स्टूडेंट्स के पास ये वाली डिग्रीज़ थी सिर्फ वही इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते थे। इसका सिलेबस अगर हम देखें तो वो 100% क्वालिफ़िकेशन रिलेटेड है, यानी कि जो डिग्रीज़ रिक्वायर्ड थी उन्हीं में से 100% पेपर बनना है। कौन कौन सी हैं? सोशियोलॉजी, सोशल वर्क, रूरल सोशियोलॉजी, जेंडर स्टडीज़, वुमेन स्टडीज़ एंड एंथ्रोपोलॉजी। तमाम सब्जेक्ट से इक्वल एमसीक्यूज़ भी आ सकते हैं। किसी एक सब्जेक्ट से 16 एमसीक्यूज़ और बाकी सब्जेक्ट से 17 एमसीक्यूज़, तो ये 100 मार्क्स पूरे हो जाते हैं। और ये भी मुमकिन है कि किसी सब्जेक्ट से ज़्यादा एमसीक्यूज़ आ जाएं और बाकियों को कम वेटेज दिया जाए। जैसा कि सोशियोलॉजी या सोशल वेलफेयर जो सब्जेक्ट है, यहाँ से ज़्यादा एमसीक्यूज़ आने के चांसेस हैं, लेकिन ये एग्ज़ामिनर पे डिपेंड करता है कि वो किस सब्जेक्ट को ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस देता है और वहाँ से ज़्यादा एमसीक्यूज़ पेपर में आपको नज़र आएंगे। आपने जो यहाँ पर 6 सब्जेक्ट्स मेंशन हैं उन सब को प्रिपेयर करना है। आज की इस वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ एक गेस्ट पेपर शेयर किया जाएगा। अब इस गेस्ट पेपर का हरगिज़ ये मतलब नहीं है कि यहाँ से एमसीक्यूज़ आपको पेपर में नज़र आएंगे, क्योंकि इसका न्यू सिलेबस है, न्यू डिग्रीज़ हैं, तो किस तरह का पेपर आपको एग्ज़ामिनेशन हॉल में सॉल्व करना है उसको गेस्ट पेपर की फॉर्म में आज की इस वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया जाएगा। गेस्ट पेपर को स्टार्ट करने से पहले जिन स्टूडेंट्स को भी एडी सोशल वेलफेयर एंड बैतुल माल के लिए सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट नोट्स चाहिए हों, जिसमें सोशियोलॉजी, सोशल वर्क, रूरल सोशियोलॉजी, जेंडर स्टडीज़, वुमेन स्टडीज़ और एंथ्रोपोलॉजी, इनकी सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड जो इम्पोर्टेंट टर्म्स हैं, कंसेप्ट्स हैं और कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट थ्योरीज़ हैं, उनको ब्रीफली एक्सप्लेन किया गया है एग्जाम्पल के साथ। और उसके साथ ही हर सब्जेक्ट के जितने वन लाइनर्स हो सकते थे जो पेपर में आ सकते हैं उन सब को भी कंबाइन किया गया है, यानी आपका 100% सिलेबस जो है वो कवर होता है यहाँ से। तो जिन स्टूडेंट्स को भी ये सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग कंप्लीट नोट्स चाहिए हों, तो जो व्हाट्सएप नंबर आपको स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है उस पर कांटेक्ट करके आप सैम्पल रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। व्हाट्सएप पर ही सर आपको सैम्पल के साथ साथ पेमेंट डिटेल्स वगैरह भी प्रोवाइड कर देंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के गेस्ट पेपर को। सबसे पहले हमारे पास सोशियोलॉजी का सब्जेक्ट है। इसमें फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, हु इज़ कंसिडर्ड द फाउंडिंग फादर ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी? अगस्ते कॉम्टे। The term sociological imagination was introduced by which sociologist? C. Wright Mills. Which sociological perspective views society as a complex system whose parts work together to promote solidarity and stability? Structural functionalism. What concept did Emile Durkheim use to describe a state of normlessness? Anomie. According to Karl Marx, the owners of the means of production are called bourgeois. What type of suicide occurs when an individual feels completely disconnected from society? Egoistic suicide. Who authored the famous book The Protestant Ethic and Spirit of Capitalism? Max Weber. The process by which individuals learn the culture and norms of their society is known as socialization. A status that a person achieves through choice, effort, or ability is called an achieved status. What term did Charles Horton Cooley use to describe how our self-image is shaped by how we think others perceive us? Looking glass self. Which type of social group is characterized by intimate, face-to-face association and cooperation? Primary group. The spread of cultural traits from one society to another is known as cultural diffusion. What concept describes the tendency to judge other cultures by the standards of one's own culture? Ethnocentrism. Who introduced the concept of in-group and out-group? William Graham. The unexpected, unintended, and unrecognized consequences of any social pattern are called latent functions. What is the term for a temporary collection of people who are in close proximity and share a common focus? Crowd. The movement of individuals or groups from one social position to another is called social mobility. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ का पोर्शन जो है वो सोशल वर्क सब्जेक्ट से है. फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, हु इज़ वाइडली रिगार्डेड एज द पायनियर ऑफ चैरिटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सोसाइटी एंड प्रोफेशनल सोशल केस वर्क? मैरी रिचमोंड. अच्छा, ये जो यहाँ पर नेम्स आ रहे हैं ना, इनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंट हो सकती है और नामों की जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है वो मेरी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है. सो आप इनको जिस तरह से याद रख सकते हैं उस तरह से याद रखें. नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज़ द प्राइमरी फोकस ऑफ सोशल केस वर्क? द इंडिविजुअल एंड देयर इमीडिएट एनवायरनमेंट. इन सोशल वर्क द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ सेल्फ डिटर्मिनेशन मीन्स respecting the client's right to make their own choices. Which social work method focuses on helping groups of people achieve shared goals or personal development? Social group work. The settlement house movement in the United States was famously led by Jane Addams. What is the first stage in the professional social work process? Intake or assessment. A systematic way of altering behavior through positive or negative reinforcement in social work is behavior modification. What type of social work evaluation measures the final outcomes and overall effectiveness of a program? Summative evaluation. The conceptual model that looks at the client within the context of multiple layered environment is the ecological systems theory. Which social work principle emphasizes accepting clients for who they are without moral judgment? Non-judgmental attitude. The practice of using research findings to inform and guide social work interventions is called evidence-based practice. What is the process of helping a community identify its needs, assets and solutions called community development? In social work administration, POST-CORB, POSD-CORB is a classic management acronym where P stands for planning. What is the primary legislative framework governing voluntary social welfare agencies in Pakistan? Voluntary Social Welfare Agencies Ordinance 1961. The conscious intentional disclosure of professional intent and empathy by a worker to form a bond is called rapport building. Which method of social work seeks to bring about structural and legislative changes to address social injustices? Social action. The specialized process where a senior professional guides a junior worker to enhance their skills is social work supervision. नेक्स्ट जो सब्जेक्ट है वो रूरल सोशियोलॉजी है. फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, हु इज़ जनरली रिकग्नाइज एज द फादर ऑफ रूरल सोशियोलॉजी? जॉन मॉरिस. व्हाट कॉन्सेप्ट डिड फर्डिनेंड टोनीज यूज टू डिस्क्राइब अ टाइट निच रूरल कम्युनिटी बेस्ड on personal bonds? Gemeinschaft. The physical and social arrangement of people on rural land is referred to as rural settlement pattern. What is the primary and dominant economic activity in most rural societies? Agriculture. The process through which rural areas adopt urban characteristics, values and mindsets is known as urbanization. What term describes a system of agriculture where the primary goal is to produce enough food to feed the farmer's family? subsistence farming. In rural societies, social control is predominantly exercised through which mechanisms? Informal mechanisms, customs, traditions, elders. The migration of people from rural areas to urban centers is called rural urban migration. What major historical event in Pakistani agriculture during the 1960s introduced high yielding crop varieties and modern technologies? The Green Revolution. A rural community layout where houses are clustered tightly together around a central point is called a nucleated settlement. What social institution holds the highest authority and structural importance in traditional rural Pakistan? The Biradari or kinship system. The structural division of rural land ownership into very small, non viable farming plots is known as land fragmentation. Which term refers to the uneven distribution of resources, power, and wealth within a rural population? Rural social stratification. Traditional dispute resolution councils in rural Pakistan, though often operating outside the formal judiciary, are known as jirgas or panchayats. The introduction of modern machinery into rural farming that reduces the reliance on manual human labor is called farm mechanization. What is the major social consequence of seasonal unemployment in rural agricultural sectors? Temporary migration to urban areas. नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट है हमारे पास जेंडर स्टडीज़. फर्स्ट MCQs है what term refers to the biological and physiological differences between males and females, sex, the socially constructed roles, behaviors and attributes that a society considers appropriate for men and women is called gender. Who wrote the foundational text The Second Sex 1949, famously stating one is not born but rather becomes a woman? Simon de Beauvoir. A social system in which men hold primary power and predominate in roles of political leadership, moral authority and property control is patriarchy. What term did Kimball Crenshaw coin to describe how various social identities like race, class and gender overlap and intersect? Intersectionality. The invisible barrier that prevents women from ascending to top level corporate or political positions is called glass ceiling. Which wave of feminism focused primarily on legal rights, specifically women's suffrage, the right to vote? First wave of feminism. The cultural preference for male children over female children, common in South Asia, is known as son preference. What concept describes the practice of assigning specific, rigid characteristics to an entire gender group? Gender stereotyping. The process by which individuals learn what is considered masculine or feminine behavior in the society is gender socialization. What type of division divides work based on gender lines, often relegating women to domestic chores and men to public labor? Gender division of labor. Which feminist perspective attributes women's oppression strictly to the capitalist system and private property ownership? Marxist or socialist feminism. The strategy of integration of gender perspectives into all stages of policy decision, implementation and evaluation is called gender mainstreaming. What term is used to describe the statistical gap or disparity in earnings between men and women performing similar work? Gender wage gap. The social phenomena where a disproportionate number of world's impoverished people are women is called feminization of poverty. Which type of violence is directed at an individual based on their specific biological sex or socially defined gender role? Gender based violence. The concept that gender identity is not fixed but exists on a broad, non-binary spectrum is known as gender continuum. नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट है हमारे पास वुमेन स्टडीज़। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, वुमेन्स स्टडीज़ इमर्ज्ड एज एन एकेडमिक डिसिप्लिन प्राइमरीली ड्यूरिंग विच डेकेड 1970s. What was the central focus of second wave feminism? Social and economic equality, reproductive rights, and domestic roles. Who wrote the influential 1963 book The Feminine Mystique, sparking the second wave feminist movement? Betty Friedan. Global Day celebrated annually on 8th of March to honor women's achievements and advocate for rights is International Women's Day. What is the acronym for the international treaty adopted in 1979 by the UN, often described as an International Bill of Rights for Women, CEDAW, Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women? The unpaid labor that women perform at home after returning from their paid external jobs is termed by sociologists as the second shift. In Pakistan, the historic law passed in 2010 to protect women in the workplace is the Protection Against Harassment of Women at the Workplace Act. What index released by the World Economic Forum measures national gender gaps on economic, political, education and health criteria? Global Gender Gap Index. The right of women to control their own bodies, including choices regarding pregnancy and family planning, falls under reproductive rights. Who was the first female Prime Minister of Pakistan and the Muslim world? Benazir Bhutto. What specific term describes the physical, sexual, or psychological harm caused by a current or former spouse or partner? Intimate partner violence. The dynamic process that increases women's self-worth, decision-making power, and access to resources is women empowerment. What slogan was popularized by second wave feminists to connect private struggles with broader political structures? The personal is political. The deliberate denial of nutritional, educational, and healthcare resources to young girls compared to boys is called female neglect. Which global development framework adopted by the UN features gender equality as its specific fifth goal? Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). The practice where a bride's family provides cash, real estate, or goods to the groom's family at marriage is called a dowry. What term describes women who work in unstable, unprotected, home-based, or piece-rate economic setups? Informal sector workers. नेक्स्ट और लास्ट सब्जेक्ट है हमारे पास एंथ्रोपोलॉजी। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज़ है, हु इज़ वाइडली कंसिडर्ड और रिकग्नाइज्ड एज द फादर ऑफ अमेरिकन एंथ्रोपोलॉजी? फ्रांस बोस। The subfield of anthropology that studies human languages and how they shape social life is linguistic anthropology. What foundational fieldwork method involves an anthropologist living within a community to observe and participate in daily life? Participant observation. The custom of being married to only one person at a time is called monogamy. What term describes a marriage rule that requires an individual to marry outside of their own specific social group or clan? Exogamy. A social system where descent, inheritance, and family titles are traced exclusively through the male line is patrilineal descent. What perspective attempts to view and understand a culture from the internal viewpoint of its own members? Emic perspective. The comparative study of different cultures based on ethnographic data is known as ethnology. who is the famous British anthropologist known for his extensive fieldwork in the Trobriand Islands and developing functionalism? Bronislaw Malinowski. The principle that an individual's beliefs and activities should be understood based on that person's own culture, not judged by others, is culture relativism. What subfield of anthropology reconstructs past human behavior and cultures through material remains and artifacts? Archaeology. A rule that permits a man to have more than one wife simultaneously is called polygyny. What structural concepts define the web of social relationships that form an essential part of lives of all humans in all societies? Kinship, a structured, symbolic performance or ceremony that is punctuated by tradition and carried out in a specific sequence, is a ritual. The practice of exchanging goods or services of relatively equal value between parties without using currency is called reciprocity. What universal cultural rule prohibits sexual relations and marriage between certain close degrees of kinship? Incest taboo.